poppin', gang? We back with another video. I know I've been missing y'all, but we're back, y'all, and today we're gonna be doing another wig install. 5x5. It's like a ash blonde, like a grayish, like, I don't know how to explain it, y'all, but it's like a highlight ash blonde wig. It is a 5x5 closure. I had bleached and plucked the knots already. Okay, so while the cap is melting, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and add some makeup that's like my color to the wig cap. And I don't know if I want to do a side part or a middle part, so I'm gonna just rub it right here and right here just in case. Go ahead and cut these little extra stuff off right here so it could lay like a frontal, y'all. So this is how it look once I push back all that hair. And cut this wig cap off. Definitely going with the side part. This is gonna eat. This is going to eat in a side part with some layers and some curls, bitch. This is gonna eat. Fluffy's lace glue. I'm doing 3 layers of this, y'all. So yes, y'all, we're gonna do 3 layers of this glue. This is my Fluffy lace glue once again. Make sure you smooth out that glue too, y'all, so your shit could turn clear. See how fast it's turning clear, y'all? So y'all gonna do this 3 times. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Let me just push this in. Then I'm gonna just grab the wig cap and pull it over like so. I'm gonna melt this lace with a band. Let me just part out my little side part before I melt it. I'm taking a regular band. I'm definitely doing curls. This is my Fluffy's Hold It Down wax stick. You can find this on my website. I'm gonna use the Holy Grail, the T3 curling iron. So I'm just using my Sebastian shaper. Halfway through my head. Go ahead and take the band off now. And don't throw away the band, y'all, because we still gonna need this, y'all. So go ahead and take my razor, pull this out. You don't want to cut off our hair. Take the comb, y'all. Take out the hairs I'm using for the baby hair. Comb it back out like so. Take out the hair I'm using for the baby hairs. Okay, so that's good enough for me. I'm just gonna take the melting spray, Fluffy's melting spray, and I'm just gonna spray this. Take the band. While that that's melting, I'm gonna go ahead and start layering and doing this side of the hair. I start curling this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and take the band off. Take the mini button, curve up, down, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna take the fluffy mousse and some Got2b gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and start curling this side now. This looks more like me. Don't want it too white. And then I'm gonna just start taking out the pins. What y'all think, y'all? Yeah, so that's the finished product. I'm not supposed to say. And keep trying to curl this because it's gonna piss me off. Yeah, so I'm gonna take some videos, y'all, and I'll be back.